Welcome to Love Lines.
Okay, at this point, I would like to thank everyone. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta, sa lahat ng tumamasak at nag-join sa ating programang ito. Thank you so very much sa inyong lahat. Unang-una, kay Sawading Bisaya, maraming salamat. Kay Sidel TV, Tirso F Channel, Lev Samurai DJ, Mavic Palomo, Jobs Oliva, Sis Eminem Journey, Aljoy Vlog Survive, Raz Tangubanon, thank you. Mayan Gaming 13, Grand Recipes Channel, Football Challengers, thank you. Grand Recipes Channel, Tanggal Bato, maraming salamat. Leah HD, Simply Me, thank you. Boyet Engkat Vlog, Sri Maha, thank you. Maki Bokid by Tessie Eugenio, Riza Basarte, The Master Mix, and sino ba to? Si Madam Baby's Vlog. Yeah, Madam's Baby's Vlog. DJ's Bodyguard. Yes, DJ's Bodyguard. Kokoy Martin. Salamat. Boyet Engket. Alright. Sino ba to? Si TJ. TJ. Brilliant Insaan. Thank you for coming. Thank you, Brilliant. Maki Bukid by Sister Eugenio, DJ's Bodyguard, Nelin and Kyle. Thank you, sis. Ano FW. Sister Eugenio, Jerry Rarisa, Haley Dismang, M&M Journey, sis. Park Family Blog by Ma'am Sam Spark, Simply Aqua, and Righteous Gaming. Thank you, Righteous Gaming. Elizabeth McDorman, Aling Malus Kitchen. Maraming salamat. So, Brilliant Insaan. Thank you so much, Brilliant Insaan. Sri Maha and the rest. Lahat ng pumunta, thank you so very much. And Sis Risa Basarte, thank you so much. Aling Malus Kitchen, Sis Tessie Eugenio, maraming salamat po. That's all for now. Thank you everyone. Maraming salamat sa nanood. Thank you so much sa mga nandito na natira. At Brilliant Insaan, thank you for staying. Aling Malus Kitchen, Sis Risa, M&M Journey, Sis Tessie, Ma'am San Spark, thank you so very much. Thank you everyone. Na-serve na natin yung purpose. We already served the purpose of this program for us to meet and promote here at Love Lines around the world with love. Still, yes, live streaming from Caloocan City, Philippines. See you again tomorrow, same time and same channel. And always remember that God loves you and you are God's beautiful creation. Once again, this is Love Lines. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day and God bless. And now, Love Lines is signing off. And by the way, see you later, 7 o'clock at my premiere. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy, and yes, take care of yourself. God bless. Have a good day. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Love Lines. Have a good day and God bless.